So guys, make sure you stay until the end. One common mistake can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. It could be simple fix. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Today guys will be super helpful video to any of you having a car. It could be any car, gasoline, diesel, American, German, Asian, doesn't matter what it is guys. If you have a problem where you have check engine light on, we want to share one simple advice with you that can save you thousands of dollars guys in repairs. Check engine light on, of course, could be caused by mechanical problems, but we've seen something else that most people ignore. We've seen people replacing engine computers, turbos, sensors, spending thousands of dollars when all they had to do is conduct one simple test, and we'll explain what it is in this video today. So before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us guys. We have more than 17,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. We take almost every car apart that we get here at the garage. We make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos on it. We work on transmissions, engines, fuses, relays, codes, almost anything you can think of. And if you guys need to buy parts, tools, the good price, quick shipping, we'll share the information in the video for your convenience. So let's start on it now. So guys, check engine light on. Automatically, when you get check engine light on, most people, okay, get a scanner, plug it to the OBD port, and they read the codes. Now, I want you to check for one code and never ignore that one. You may or may not get it. It depends on which car you have, how complicated it is, and how smart it is. But if you have voltage in the systems, and I'm not talking just about engine computer, it's good to use a scanner that can access all computers. If it has under voltage code, that can be your problem. Under voltage means that the battery was under voltage when it was loaded. That could be under starting the vehicle or when using heated, ventilated seats, charging phones, DVD players, anything like that. But guys, one thing that can easily cause check engine light that most people ignore, let me show you. Car battery guys. These newer vehicles actually will have more than 40, 50 different computers. Some of them, not all of course, but even one simple vehicle uses up to 20 computers nowadays, and they communicate with each other. And guys, when actually guys the battery is not stable, that can cause check engine light as well. This battery is out of a Mercedes vehicle that we used in other vehicles as well, and believe me or not, okay, this is from 2013 original battery, and it worked perfectly fine. But the last 2 years we noticed random malfunctions, warnings, check engine lights on, and here is the result guys of that. Let me show you. Most people here will make one simple mistake. They'll get a voltmeter and check the voltage. What do you get? 12.62, right? What that tells you? That tells you practically that's pretty good battery. You tested it, it's amazing, nothing to worry about, everything's great. But that's the mistake guys. You need to get a battery tester, and if you need to get one, we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get it. Also, if you need to buy replacement battery, we'll share that one as well. You can get it delivered at a really good price to your house. So it indicates 12.56. That battery tester can do a battery test, cranking test, charging test, okay, and you can review that and select different languages. For the battery test, remove your car battery out of the car, charge it and test it to get the most accurate results. You can of course test it in the vehicle as well. Now, that's called cranking amps. Ours is rated at 800 right here. It's conducting the test, less than 20 seconds we will know the results, and it will be astonishing guys. It says bad battery. Out of 800 code cranking amps, we have 121. The health of the battery is 2%, the charge state is 93, and internal resistance is 20.54 milliamps. So that battery is short guys, it says replace. Because of a weak battery, unstable battery, you can easily get check engine light on quite a few modern vehicles. So when you have check engine light on, before you even head to the mechanic or start working on it yourself, always test the battery. Doesn't matter how old it is. We had a battery that failed after a few months. We had one that lasted a year, some lasted 2. The AGM ones, we've been pretty lucky. Some of them last up to 8-10 years guys. So that's what we've been going on lately with. That's what we've been using AGMs because they're more reliable. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.